Did Benjamin turn your music off? Can you reach it? Do you need some help reaching? Again?
Cover it again. What?
That's right. That's right. Yeah. Okay. Music off.
Oh, I forgot something.
Oh no, don't unplug it on him.
Oh, Dad, it's just trying to get video of the coaster before you start getting video of him.
Oh, what happened? It's not working? What happened?
He's like, hey, there's a plug.
Oh, what happened? Oh,
Dad,
oh, what
does he
happened?
know?
Okay, dude, plug it back in for him.